Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Thursday after expectations the Fed would taper quantitative easing faded as pessimism took over ahead of the key payrolls released today. The greenback ended the day at 1.3245 to the euro and 96.96 to the yen. Today's data includes change in non-farm payrolls, which are expected to remain unchanged at 165,000. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday after the European Central Bank kept interest rates unchanged when there had been a possibility they might lower them to below zero to try to kickstart lending in the recession-hit economy. The single currency ended the day at 1.3245 to the dollar and 128.45 to the yen. Today's data includes the German trade balance, which is expected to show a slight fall in surplus to 17 billion in April. British pound. The pound strengthened on Thursday after the Bank of England kept interest rates the same and didn't increase quantitative easing at their monthly rate meeting. Sterling ended the day at 1.5599 to the dollar and 0.8488 to the euro. Today's data includes the trade balance in April, which is expected to see the deficit narrow to minus 3 billion from minus 3.13 billion previously. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday after investors fled the dollar following fading hopes the Fed would taper quantitative easing. The currency also gained from an improvement in the outlook for the economy as a result of the success so far of Abenomics. The yen ended the day at 96.96 to the dollar and 151.23 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.314 with 1.332 and 1.3375 in sight. The downside penetration of 1.314, which will open the way to 1.31 and 1.303. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5515 with 1.569 and 1.577 in sight. The downside penetration of 1.5515, which will call for 1.5425 and 1.537. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 98.05 with 95.85 and 94.9 as next targets. The upside breakout of 98.05, which will open the way to 98.8 and 99.6. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.